Hi, everybody. My name is Andrea Stein. I am a business development representative for Soltell Systems. I'd like to welcome you all to our technology and best practices in distributed solar operations and maintenance workshop. This is the second digital event in the Distributed Solar Operations and Maintenance series, which is organized by LNRG Technologies. Over the course of this workshop, we will hear from solar industry professionals ranging from startup entrepreneurs to policy advocates and researchers who will discuss how technologies and best practices in solar operations and maintenance will define the future of the distributed solar and storage market. Before we begin, I would like to thank the co-organizers and the participants of this event. So LNRG Technologies, BTS Energy, Soltell Systems, RST Cleantech Solution, Blue Banyan, the California Solar and Storage Association, which is also known as CALSA, and the International Renewable Energy Agency, also known as IRENA. I would also like to thank the American Clean Power Association and PV Polskie for the support of the event. And it looks like at this point, there is a substantial portion of our attendees that have joined the Zoom meeting. So I think about now would be a good time to go ahead and get started. And then just as a reminder to everyone, we have allotted time at the end for a Q&A session. So in the meantime, if you do have a question while people are presenting, just feel free to type that question into the chat, and then just be sure to note who the question is directed towards, so that way we can circle back around and answer those questions during the Q&A session. Okay, perfect.